again echo $x times $y. Output here is going to be 60. So echo $x divided by $y, and basically output here is going to be 1.177. Okay, and then echo $x modulus of $y. Output here is going to be 4. Okay, so let's save this and see if I was correct. Just going to go to the page. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of different values over here. So let's just define it up a bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in echo br. Save that and let's see what happens now. There we go. So the first one, like I said, was 16, 4, 60, 1.66667, and 4. So you see the basics behind what we are basically doing here. So going further into operators, we'll look at PHP assignment operators. Now, the PHP assignment operators are used to write a value to a specific variable. Now, the basic assignment operators are, I'm just going to pull that up again. There we go. And the basic assignment operators in PHP is equals. Okay. Now, it means that the left operator gets a set of value of the assignment expression on the right. So let's have a look at what we have here. We've got x and y. So it's x equals to y is the same as x equals to y. Okay. Now it says the left operand gets the set of value of the expression on the right. So x plus equals y is the same as x equals x plus y. Okay. Now that's addition. Okay. Now the next one is x minus equals y is the same as x equals, okay, x minus y. And that's subtraction, of course. Now we've got x times equals y. It's the same as x equals x times y. Multiplication. Now we've got x divided by equals y is the same as x equals x divided by y. And that's division. Then we've got x modulus equals y as x equals x modulus y as modulus. So do you see that you've got always, you have at the top, we have x equals y. And it's the same as x equals y. Now that is quite straightforward because we don't have any value defined before the equal sign. So I'm just going to say it's just going to stay x equals y. But you see we have x plus before the equal sign. That means that if you have anything before this equal sign, then it will be x plus y, for instance, because we were using the addition value there. So if I clean this up, if we have any kind of value, like let's say y plus equals x, then your value would be y, okay, equals y plus x, for instance. Now that's just x and y. Let's change this to something else that makes more sense. Let's say we're changing it to a, okay, plus equals b. So in that case, it will be a equals a plus b. Okay, that's the one way of looking at it. Let's use another example. Let's scratch that down. Let's have c minus equals f. So that would be c equals c minus f. Quite simple, isn't it? If you just grasp it in the start, you would get it. Just gonna clean this up. Okay. So that is how do you look at operators in general. Clean this all up. Okay, so it just shows you how to use the different assignments. Now let's use what we've just seen in a specific example. So I'm just gonna minimize this, and I'm going to go ahead and create an HR and a BR. I'm gonna open up my PHP again. I'm gonna close my PHP again. So basically, what I'm gonna write is I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take this first bit out because we're on. No, you know what? Let's not do that. I want to keep everything, so I'm just going to say $A equals 10. Okay, now I'm going to say, okay, echo equals, oh no, let's just say echo $A. Fair enough. Now let's just write here, output is going to be 10, right? So then we go, okay, well, $B equals 20. Okay, so now we're gonna go, okay, well, $B plus equals 100. Okay, so in essence, that's gonna be echo $B. And what is the output going to be of this? Because we're going $B plus equals 100. And we're going $B in the start, we went and said 20. So the output is going to be what? 120. So let's go and go $Z equals 50. And then we go, okay, well, $Z minus equals 25. So echo $Z, the output, oh, wait. The output is going to be 25. Let's have a look at $G. Let's give it equality of 5. Then we say, okay, well, $G divided equals 5. Then we go, okay, echo that for me. So echo $G, and that is basically going to be what? Output is going to be one. Then we go